Welcome to the Webdadi tutorial video for creating a new website page in the VIA software. Once you have logged into the VIA software, navigate to the left-hand side of the dashboard and click on the menu item called Website Management. This will reveal a further drop-down menu. Now click on Pages. This will open a list of all the pages that you currently have saved in a dashboard to the right of the screen. To add a new page, click on the orange Add Page button in the top left-hand corner of the screen, which will open a new window. You will now see a number of boxes that will need to be completed. Working from the top down, you'll see the Page URL box. This will be the URL of your new website page. If the page has multiple words, you will need to separate them out with hyphens. For the page to show live on your website, you will need to tick the Visible button. If this is left unticked, then the page will simply stay as a draft. Moving down to the next boxes, you can give your new page a title and also a subheading of your choice. Underneath this, you can add a main body of content for your new page. You can use the editing tools above to amend the look and feel of the post, along with adding links, images, or a video. You have 4 boxes underneath content where you can manage the SEO of the page that you have built. Meta keywords will need to be separated out with commas. If you would also like to add an image to the top of the page behind the title, then click on the grey box next to the media section, allowing you to choose an image of your choice from your computer. Please note that images need to be 2 MB maximum and JPEG in format. The final step is to click Save and Close, the blue button at the top left of the page. You have now finished creating your new website page.